All right, you may have an offer already, in which case you're good to go from when you log into PageWheel to jump right in and pick your page template. Your dashboard will look like this, and you can pick what kind of page you want, and they're all totally customizable. So you can mix and match sections and do all you want, but we have a lot of templates for your convenience. So services, books, nonprofits, affiliate products, e-commerce, coaching calls, all kinds of things are already available for you. But what if you don't have an offer yet? That's okay. This is how PageWheel can help you with developing an offer. Where you want to go is over to copy packs. You can reach by clicking up here on top where it says get social copy, but there's lots of good stuff over there. Or promo packs here on the left menu. They both take you to the same place, which is over here to copy packs, and it is picking up where I left off. So I'm clicking back. This is the menu that should open right up for you. And you'll see you won't have anything in here. You'll just have a put your product or program description here. Now, if you don't have one, then just put who you serve and what you do. So if you see this example, a weight loss program for female food addicts, if you don't have a weight loss program, but your audience is females with food addiction, that's who you serve and who you want to help. Up here you can just say, I help, see, here we go, I help women control their food addiction and feel healthy again. Okay, I was practicing with that, so I already have some answers. But you'll just put that in there, and then for pick your content pack, you want to go over here to products and programs, and I would click all three of these. I would click the lead magnet freebie ideas, I would click the product ideas, and I would click the product upsell ideas. Now, it's also important to know that the more things you click, the longer it's going to take. But PageWheel copy packs will create one at a time that you can look at even while you're waiting to see the others. So I had actually done this because I was practicing before I made this video, and I have the answers, but you'll see a loading bar you'll see the response once it's got the first one, and you'll see the buttons act as a progress bar while it's working on the other ones. But here you can see a 30-day healthy eating meal plan. And this is order bumps ideas, which tend to be smaller, very discrete problem solution kind of thing, where a VIP or upsell is usually a more substantial program of some kind. But that's why you want to click on all of these, because it gives you all kinds of ideas. An app, a recipe book, a video series. You don't have to take these word for word. This is just gets you off of the blank page, staring at the blank page of, oh, what should I make? And give you lots of ideas. So you might be like, oh, I don't want to do a detox smoothie recipe ebook. I want to do an anti-inflammatory smoothie or something like that. It still helps you get to that idea and brainstorm faster, right? And then this, now don't forget physical products. We do a lot of digital stuff. PageWheel is originally around digital product creation, but you can sell physical products as well for your offer. You can have supplements. You might sell, anything that would help women who have food addiction get healthy and feel better again. So we're at product upsells, order bump, and VIP. Here's lead magnet ideas. These tend to be smaller bite-sized things: checklist, journal page, swipe file, a little challenge, something they can do that gives a taste of what you have to offer in your style to introduce them to your world. So these are other smaller ideas typically used as lead magnets. Also note that, see here, we say make your product with templates. If you click on this, it will take you over to some Canva templates for creating some products for yourself if you want. So it's going to open up for me. For you, it's going to say, this template created by Rachel Miller was shared with you. So you can view the template and just go in here and edit these pretty quickly. So definitely want to pay attention to that on the PageWheel packs. And we have a number of hidden little goodies to help you out like this, of Canva templates and the like. And then let's see what else we have. This was just product ideas, and so here we have physical product ideas, program or coaching ideas, so getting a little more specific. So Lots of help there for ideas on an offer. And if you're really stuck, if you're really, really overthinking it, and you're just getting started, start with lead magnet, pick the easiest one that you can make the fastest, and do that, because you got to start somewhere. And there's no wrong answer, so just pick something and go with it and don't be stuck. You can totally do this. All right, I will see you next on creating and publishing that offer page once you do have your offer. See you there.